What is an internet browser? An internet browser is an application on your computer that allows you to connect to the internet. On the desktop here, I've got three examples of internet browsers for you. We've got Microsoft Edge, which comes as standard by default when you buy a computer with Windows, but I've also installed Firefox and Google Chrome onto the computer here as well. The three internet browsers I've also put down onto the taskbar down here just for ease and simplicity of use, because down here we only need one click, whereas up here we need 2 clicks to launch the application. It's easy to do this. You can just put the pointer onto one of the apps, left click onto it, hold the left click button down, put it onto the taskbar and let go, and you can put the internet browsers down here. You'll only need 1 click to launch onto the internet from down here. So Microsoft Edge is the browser that comes installed with Windows 10. Let's have a look at that one first of all. Put the pointer onto the browser and left click once. And here, as you can see, I've got it set up so that it goes straight to Google, and from here we can search for anything we want on the internet. Google Chrome is my preferred browser of choice, but everyone's different. You choose whichever one you want. Let's have a look at Google Chrome. Left click once onto Google Chrome, and this launches us onto Google's website, where we can search for anything we want. And Firefox is the third browser we've got on the computer. We can left click once onto this, and again I've got it set up so that Google is the default search engine. So, an internet browser is an application which launches you onto the internet. Once you click on one of these browsers, a window will open up and you will have a search engine which will allow you to search for anything you want on the internet. I've got these three browsers set up to go to Google. The Google search engine is the most widely used search engine in the world. There are others. As we've said, when you buy your computer, Microsoft Edge is the default web browser. Click on Microsoft Edge. It won't go to Google. By default, it will be set up to use Bing as your search engine. You can change any of the internet browsers so that when you click onto the browser, it takes you to a website of your choice. You would normally set this to a search engine such as Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, to name a few. Most people use Google or Bing. So by default, your Edge browser, when clicked on, will go to Bing. You can then start typing in the search box where the cursor is up here, or you can put the pointer into the search box here and start typing there. If you wanted to change from the Bing search engine to Google, with Microsoft Edge, put the pointer onto the Edge browser, left click once, go up to the 3 dots in the top right hand corner, left click once, go down to settings and left click once. Then over here on the left, on startup, left click once. When it says open a new tab, pages, bing.com is what we've got it set to at the moment. Go to the 3 dots over here, click on delete, and then click on add a new page and type in www.google.com or .co.uk. Click on add and click on open a specific page or pages. This should now go to Google, and when we start back up, it takes us to Google. If you want to put Google Chrome or Firefox onto your computer, you will have to go to Google Chrome's website or Firefox's website and download it from there. See my other videos on how to do this.